Amphenol Commercial's 9 industrial RJ45 IP6X rectangular push-pull cables and connectors offer robust solutions suitable for both indoor and outdoor rugged and harsh environments. These connectors adhere to IP65, IP66, and IP67 specifications, providing a fully sealed, weatherproof Cat5E Ethernet connectivity using the IEC 6603-7 mating interface. The design encompasses features like field terminable IDC plugs, meeting standard RJ45 interconnect performance parameters, making installation flexible and efficient. Resilient to impact and vibration, they are easy to operate with a push-pull positive locking latch, all packaged in a small, lightweight, and ergonomic form factor. These connectors find applications across various sectors, including communications, medical, industrial Internet of Things, machine-to-machine, and more. For more information on Amphenol Commercial 9 Industrial RJ45 IP6X rectangular push-pull cables and connectors, explore DigiKey.com.